All right, what do we have here? Let me see. Share screen. Which one? I got 10 of them. Okay. How's it going, guys? This is Sidney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas. And we are the Trading Places. Let's open up a chart book here. I'm looking up to the heavens for my for my screens. And that's where they are. They're way up there. So let me see. Let's bring them down here. Let's go through a few trades today. A little active last night, which we like, right? Let's go through some trade pairs here. Let's see what's happening. Turn this down for those of you who don't like Journey. Sorry about that. Finally got all the... remember I was struggling last week with my technology. We're back straight again. Good, good. Let's go talk to Euro Dollar. Whoops, no, I don't want that. I don't want that either. Okay, so let's do okay. Let's erase all lines. Okay, now let's just start all over again. We need to see this is the top of the money. This is the bottom of the money. And we finished there. Great example. We were at the bottom of the market on Euro Dollar, and King Solomon gave us a short signal in the 120 right there. Do you take that short and hope and pray that it hits shorter than what it's been in a long time? You can. I wouldn't do it. So let's figure out where we are. It just happens to be where we left off in business today is where the lowest amount is. So let's go back to the 60. So it's in consolidation right now. What I would do is, we already know that this is the bottom, or actually this is the bottom. I didn't even see that. This is the bottom. So all it did was just grab equity and come back up. So I'd look for Euro Dollar to bounce long. Anybody could have called that today. Let me... Bunce, B-O-U-N-C-E, bounce long. As always, move this my mouse out of the way. As always, wait for volume and signals. You're not going to get any signals right away. So it's gonna, if it were to bounce right now, you'd get a signal in 3 hours. As a rule of thumb. So it's going to bounce. It could bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and then bounce and to go long. But bottom line, there's going to be some support there. So just be very patient. Let Forex come to you. Never go to Forex. It will tear you up. What's today's date, guys? This is September 8th. All right, let's go to dollar yen. Let's change this to the, let's go ahead and change this. I keep going to the 120. I can trade on the 120. I'm experienced, but if I were you guys, I'd wait to. I definitely trade on the 240, or at least wait till when volume kicks in, wait for signal and take trade. Yeah, so let's do some work here. Okay, let's do our own work here. That's a high point. No, sir. That's a low point. Where do we leave off? It was short, so it left off there. Okay, so it went short. It left a shadow there for a reason. Let's find trend. But first, let's go back to the 60. Okay. So now we know where we're at here. This thing has been cruising in the middle for 3 days, it seems like, and it just dropped and it's starting to go in the middle again. This trade kind of scares me. It took a little dip there. It hit this support line and bounced. So this one, there's not really a trend. I mean, if you look at it, it's kind of doing the sideways dance, right? This way here, which is consolidation. Kind of went sideways dance here as well. And it's bounced up. You get the little baby trend. But I'm scared of this one. I don't know what it's going to do. Dollar yen. All the other yens are going south. Pound yen, New Zealand yen. So what I'm going to do on this one is trade is in consolidation. I would pass on this deal. It's going to be a very short trading session today, guys. Okay, so we could tell here, this is going to be the last trade. No. And shit went short just like I said it would. I love it when I'm right. Actually, King Solomon's right on that one. Erase lines. Okay, let's figure out where we are. Right there's the high point. Figure out the low point. This is pretty much the low point right here. There's a lot of action here. Look at that, it stopped right there. So I would look for this one. Let's go back to the 60. It bounced. I would look for this. This what I'm doing here is you can do this on any trade pair. You can do it on gold, US 30, every trade in Forex, indices, commodity, whatever. It all respects support resistance. So what I'm doing here is basically, you could do it on anything. Even stocks and options. But anyway, I have my weekly seminar with the Australians, which I trade that big fund for. If anybody would like to invest with that company, me and about 15 other traders will be trading your money 24 hours a day. 24 hours a day. So we trade the Frankfurt session, the Sydney, the Singapore, the New York, the London, everything. Your money will always be traded. So we're doing very well right now. There's one particular trader that's done 20% on the account this month only. I've done 9%. So anyway, that's very good when you have $1 billion in there, 9%, and you get that collectively. So it's a big bonus. But it's gonna be a good volume night tonight. So anyway, guys, Wednesday's kind of a short day, or Tuesday is. We'll hit it hard Wednesday and Thursday. I'll write down some trades, and I'll actually make some trades on our Telegram chat room. Okay. All right, guys. Good luck trading tonight. If you have any questions, hit me up on Telegram, and I'll get right back with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.